Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your browsing history on your Google Chrome web browser on Windows 11. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you need to do is go ahead and just open up Chrome. So I'm going to go search for it and go ahead and open that up if it's not already open. And you want to select the setting icon up at the top right corner of the browser screen. Go ahead and left click on that and select history, and then select the history button. On the left side, select clear browsing data. And now you can set your time range for how far back you want to delete your history, and then make sure browsing history is checkmarked here. Select clear data. And once you know what that, you can close out of here, restart your browser, and that should be about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.